Hello, welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to clone some of your apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So the first way that is only available for apps like Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, like communication apps and something like that. And so to perform this, you have to just go to settings and here scroll down until you see advanced features, and here open dual messenger. As you can see, I have already cloned my WhatsApp app, and you can do the same with the Facebook, for example. And if you have for example Messenger installed or Instagram, you can do the same. I believe the Snapchat is also available here in this function if you have it downloaded. As you can see, we have two WhatsApps, and this is the clone's Facebook, and to prove it, here you have the OG Facebook one. And the second way where you can also clone some of your apps is actually a secure folder. So let's just find the function right here. It should be in the security and privacy section. So let's just enter it. And as you can see, we have the secure folder already set up. It should be somewhere here on this phone. Oh, weird, doesn't work. Oh, as you can see, the secure folder is right here, so I'll uninstall it for the purposes of this video, so I can show you the setup. Okay, so it's uninstalled, so let's just go back and I'll show you the setup of this folder. So let's go down again until we see security and privacy. Here, scroll down until you see more security settings and just tap on the secure folder, and let's set up it together. So let's just go to the setup, nothing's hard. Here you have to choose for the lock for your secure folder, so let's just set up simple password. Okay, so let's just press next, and as you can see, our secure folder is in fact set up. And here you can just press the plus icon and choose, for example, Facebook, or I don't know, photos, and press add. As you can see, we have Facebook here and Facebook also right here, and these will be separate instances of the app. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.